Yes. Let me introduce myself. I am Senthamil, hailing from Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. I hold an MPhil B.Ed Chemistry. I have more than 7 years teaching experience in science, but for the past few months, I am a domestic engineer. I will be probably continue my teaching next year. On my personal note, there are four of us in our family. Life has blessed with two beautiful daughters. So that's pretty much about me in a nutshell.
Okay,
Thank
superb.
you for inviting me at first.
You are a chemistry teacher.
Yes.
Okay, then why your interest towards English now?
Actually, my elder daughter is at the tail end of her schooling. This is a crucial period for her.
She's
So
in?
to support her,
She's in?
sorry,
Where is she
she's
in?
12th standard.
12th
She's
standard.
12th standard.
Okay,
Yes. So to support her, I stepped away my job for
okay.
short period.
For
Yes.
short period.
Probably I will probably resume my teaching next year.
Okay. In school.
Yeah. Yes.
What about your younger one, ma'am? Younger daughter?
She is studying seventh standard, but how can I say that my all family members pulled off due to their work, studies, something. My husband is in another place due to work. My younger daughter is in another place. My in-laws take care of her.
Okay.
Me and my elder one is here in Trichy.
Elder one.
Elder one.
Okay. Fine. Everything will be getting sorted out, ma'am. Everything will be all right soon.
Yes, of course. I'm waiting for 3 to 4 months. After that, we will be together.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay, do you want
Do
my
you feel
introduction,
cold?
ma'am? Yes, I
Sorry.
don't know why. Since morning I got runny nose. I was cleaning something and I was changing the kitchen. I was doing deep cleaning, so I got severe cold. Like, see,
Okay.
I just dusted something and as soon as I did that, I got runny nose. I got sneezing.
Better try to take steam bath. It would be
Steam
so
bath, no,
beneficial.
ma'am. Actually, it would stay with me for 1 or 2 hours. Then afterwards, I'll be all right.
Okay. Fine,
Uh,
fine.
okay, and tomorrow is my daughter's birthday, so I have to do some work.
Wow.
And today I am like this. Always I'm like this. When the next day
Mm.
is crucial for me, very important for me, then before I usually get stuck with something.
Okay, you have two daughters, right?
Yes, ma'am. I have two daughters. My
Wow.
eldest one birthday
Nice.
is tomorrow.
Oh, nice. Yeah, you have talked a lot about our daughters in this video. I think when I see one videos, you talked a lot about your elder one. I mesmerized about her. Why? Because in this small age, she is so eagerly about you and about your wishes, everything. Na, it would be it's how can I say that it welcome thing, right? Why? Because none of the children are being like this. Obviously, they are so gifted.
Yes, ma'am. And one more thing I would like to share about her. And in recent
Mm.
videos, I shared that I have started narrating something about a particular topic.
Okay.
My daughter has prepared everything for me in a like bowl, in a bowl,
Okay.
and she prepared 30 chits, 30 small
Okay.
chits, and she wrote the topic from basic to basic 10 words, intermediate 10 topics, and advanced 10 topics. And she asked
Okay.
me to pick a sheet and talk regarding that.
Oh my God.
In
Oh.
front of camera, I told her that I am okay with normal conversation, but when it comes to topic, I struggle a lot. I need to enhance my
Mm.
vocabulary and enhance my knowledge towards various topic. Then immediately she told me this idea. Not She did not stop by just by telling the idea. She also
Mm.
made that plan. Okay, and
Mm.
the one day, the next day, she just picked a car sheet for me.
Mm.
Okay, that was about mobile phone. The usage of mobile
Okay.
phone. Do you often use
Oh,
mobile phone? That is the topic. I
okay.
placed it somewhere else in a safe. I placed it in safer place.
Okay. Like,
Evening, I did
mm.
not yes do that practice that time, ma'am, because that time they were getting ready for the school, so I placed it somewhere in a safer place.
Okay.
And
Okay.
then I totally forgot about that.
Okay.
Evening, as soon as she comes, she asked me, Amma, did you do that work and have you talked about it? I
No.
told her, no, no, I forgot. Please, I was started searching for that shit, ma'am.
Mm.
She immediately told, Amma, please don't worry. I will
Okay.
write one more chit and give it to you. Please don't get panic.
Okay. Okay.
She,
Oh my
she
God.
immediately
Such a
think of the
maturity.
solution, ma'am. She
Wow.
did not
Nice.
allow me to get panic, worry, and nothing. She knew that what is the solution, how can she overcome from this.
Okay. 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 Actually, how can I think she got quite matured. From whom she got this much matured? And
I
you
don't know, ma'am.
from your dad.
I was awestruck after seeing her solution, her actually mentality. She did not say anything.
Mm.
Amma, please don't worry, don't get panic. I will write one more
Okay.
sheet with the same name. I remembered that topic. Please don't worry. I was really appa superstar. This is
Oh
what
my.
we need at this present.
Yeah, yeah, of course. I think now she is studying sixth standard, right?
Seventh standard, ma'am. She
Sixth standard.
immediately, seventh standard, seventh.
Seven, seven. Yeah.
She
Okay,
immediately came
fine.
up with a solution. I forgot
Wow.
everything and I started praising her. Wow, you are so great.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Of
And
course, I think she has such a clear mind.
yes, ma'am. And I
Why? Because
told
if
her,
we,
yes,
hmm,
I told
yes,
her
yes.
that if I were in your position, I would have scolded you. I see you must have kept it in somewhere, some place, and you should not
Oh,
search for it now. I would have scolded you, right? If I were
okay,
you. But you
okay,
came up
okay.
with a solution. She came up with a
Yeah, she
solution.
has such passions.
Yes,
Nice.
ma'am. You were trying to say something, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, of course, nothing, nothing. Actually, how can I say that I want to appreciate her. Why? Because in this small age, she has such a clarity, mind, and patience. So, how can I say that there is a proverb, hasty things need something. Padarada karyam siddharada like
Haste
what,
makes
right?
waste.
Haste makes waste. Same likewise, if we moved any critical situation with the patients, we can handle it so easily. But once we get nervous or anxiety, it means we couldn't do anything, even if it is small thing.
Yes.
I think in this case, she has such a wonderful mindset.
Yes. Sometimes I
Okay.
think that I have to learn so many things from her.
Mhm. Okay, actually, um, earlier I got a chance to talk with the three YouTubers, but
Okay.
due to my personal issues, I couldn't follow them. But I, I always had set on mind, set my heart to talk to Mahalakshmi. Why?
Oh,
Because of her name.
because
So
of
why? Because in our tradition, in our tradition, whatever we want to start something new, we begin to by praying to Mahalakshmi.
oh,
In the same like in the same way, I want to kick off my conversation with you.
so
Why?
sweet of
Because how
you.
can I say that? Yes, it carries the traditional, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that is why.
Okay. So you have a plan to talk with some other YouTubers as well, right, ma'am?
Yes, 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 yes.
Do you have a channel, ma'am? So what's your plan? Just to have a
Um,
conversation with others?
Actually, so far I have no idea to start YouTube channel, but many of the YouTubers advised that if you want to learn many things, you have to teach. So
Okay.
for to teach, what is the tool means? I don't have anything in right now. I have an idea, but not now. It will take some time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine, fine, ma'am. Fine. Yes. Before that, you can just brush up on your skill
Yes, that is
by
what
having
I'm
this
doing.
conversation like this. Yeah, it
Yes.
is also going to help you, ma'am. See, when you
Okay.
start something, you don't need to get cold feet. You can straight away just jump into the conversation without worrying. I had yes I had worrying, and I was worrying for like almost 10 or 15 sessions.
Okay.
I was frightening, I was worrying, I was under cold feet, I got cold feet, but yes, we have to pass it everything. So,
Actually, yesterday I had my trial session.
okay, ma'am.
Yesterday I was in so apprehensive, so anxiety. But once I completed the session, I got I was in normal. So today, okay, we can have a conversation with Mahalakshmi. Why? Because
Okay.
I expected a long period.
Okay.
Today it's happened. I felt so
Oh,
overwhelmed.
okay, okay, fine, fine, ma'am. And how
Yeah.
was the trial session?
It was nice. But he gives three feedback. The first one is the eye contact is missing.
Okay,
I did many times. The second thing is it was some grammatical mistake.
okay.
Third thing is he suggested to read novels, news magazines,
Books.
many of the things. But actually, I had seen in your videos earlier,
Okay,
but I couldn't recognize that it was him.
okay.
After heard that tutor's name, I searched about him. Then only I got to know your videos. I have seen. Then I realized that he is amiable. Obviously, we can have a conversation with comfortable zone like what.
Oh, superb, superb, superb.
Yeah.
Yes.
Even yesterday, I watched one video. You and him talk about that some books. It was so
Animal farm,
interesting to see
animal
that.
farm.
When you talk about the topic, your face is so groomly. Can I say that you are so bright? I felt so happy. Oh my God! When how can I say that when we are interested in one thing, it shows in our inner mind, inner face.
Yes, ma'am.
It seemed yesterday.
Yes, yes.
Nice.
Whenever I go to bookshop or whenever I see books, my friends or my husband, they say that is now see your face. They ask my daughters to see my face. You can get
Okay.
100 is 1000 watts bulb brightness on my face whenever I see books.
Okay. So you are so such interesting to reading books.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh
I
my
am
God.
not only reading books just to get to know what is there and how the
Mm.
front page and is the
Okay.
bond
Index.
and everything, the title, everything, the
Oh.
shapes, the letters, fonts. I'm interested into everything, not only to read.
Since when you started to reading the books?
Ma'am, when I was in 10th standard, I completed Ponniyin Selvan in
Oh,
Tamil.
it's long back. Okay. But
That time
recently
itself.
I started to reading books. I
Okay.
couldn't follow that. So what would you suggest to me if I want to reading the books? So how can I
Tamil or
start?
English, ma'am?
English. Why?
In-
Because I am in mandatory to learn English. So obviously I want in English.
Okay, first
What kind
go
of
for,
book?
ma'am.
Yes, yes. What kind of books do you suggest as a beginner?
Okay. First, I would suggest you to go with Indian authors,
Okay.
like R.K. Narayanan sir,
Yeah,
Sudha
I
Murthy
have
ma'am, books.
to the mountain.
Go for Indian authors, ma'am. Afterwards,
Mm.
you go for children-based books. Like then, it is
Okay.
easy for us to understand the sentence. The anecdotes, it anecdotes wouldn't be
Mm.
much complex. We can easily
Mm.
understand the things behind the main story.
Okay.
So I
Perfect.
always recommend for the at the initial stage when you are inculcating a new habit like reading habit, I would strongly suggest you to go with Indian authors. Afterwards, children books. Then you can
Mm.
go for your favorite genre. First, decide your favorite genre. Then you can
Mm.
go for it. Fiction,
I like
non-fiction, science
Sudhamurthy
fiction,
books.
crime.
Mm.
What, ma'am?
Mm. I like Sudhamurthy books.
Okay.
Sudhamurthy man books.
Yes. Yes. You first to choose the genre, ma'am. Then go
Mm.
for it.
Okay, okay, fine.
In which genre you are interested in, ma'am? You are
Actually,
interested.
I am interested to read short novels
Okay.
regarding whatever it is, but it should be in simple English. Otherwise, I couldn't understand if I read the books
Okay.
right.
Okay.
So as a beginner, I want to read the short novel books, whatever it
Yes.
is.
Okay. Then R.K.
Yeah.
Narayanan book, Malgudi Days. It has some 32 stories,
Okay.
32 or 34 stories, but
Okay.
everything is different short stories, like 5 to 10 pages.
Each story has 10 pages or overall books has 10 pages.
Each story, ma'am, it has like
Each
30
story
to
has 10
32
pages.
stories. Is every
Okay,
story
okay, okay, okay.
is
Hmm.
small short stories. It's different
Okay.
stories.
Malgudi days, right?
Malgudi Days is.
Okay, I'll try. I'll
You
try.
check, ma'am. Just a minute, ma'am. I have a couple of books
Yes.
here.
Okay.
You can go for Alchemist as well, ma'am.
I'll,
Alchemist. Robin Sharma book, Who Will Cry When You Die?
okay.
Are you able to see, ma'am?
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, yes, 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 yes. Robin
This
Sharma.
one is The
Yes.
Alchemist.
Have you completed that?
This and all I completed, ma'am.
Alchemist, I have the book, but I didn't start the book, but I have the book in a native.
Okay, okay. This The Power of Subconscious Mind.
Yes, we have. Where is
You
that?
have. This one is somewhat
I started, I started more than 50 pages, like what?
okay. This is
Mm.
somewhat advanced book, ma'am. The
What's
vocabulary
that?
are
Mast?
advanced.
Okay.
The Himalayan Master, an autobiography of a
Yes, yes.
Himalayan Master. It is somewhat
Okay.
advanced. I don't recommend you to
Okay.
read now, but
Okay,
after
fine.
a year or so, you can read it, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, fine.
This one is Enid Blyton book. It's really a wonderful book.
Just
Easy
to
book.
hold it.
The
Hold it
Magic
properly.
Faraway Tree.
Okay, okay, okay. Mm.
It's really a
Yeah, that is
wonderful
a good.
book. You can.
Mm.
I finished it within a day.
Wow, really?
Yes.
How many pages it contains?
You know one thing, that time I was in hospital, so I did not
Oh,
have any work, so I completed it within a
okay.
day. 190
I
pages, ma'am.
okay, okay. I
190.
think you feel that reading is a good medicine, like what?
Yes, of course. It was a great medicine. It was a great medicine.
Okay.
And I
Mm.
completed this book one day and I started reading this book again. I have completed one time already by taking
Okay.
the notes. Like, see, have you seen
Mm.
the meanings? I have always write the meanings.
You underline the
Yes,
words.
yes.
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
always
Yeah,
do
that will be
that.
so helpful.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, whenever we read the books, we should underline the
Yes,
difficult
every
words.
all the pages you can. I don't know whether you are able to see it or not. Most of the pages I write everything in pencil, but I don't use pen in
Okay.
my book.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, that is a good thing. Why? Because once we memorize the word means we can rub it the page right.
Then Allied Blyton book, I have completed some couple of books from Alice in Wonderland.
Wow.
It's an adventurous book.
Okay. I think you have a lot of book
Yes,
collections.
this is also Enid Blyton book, The Enchanted Wood. And another one is The Magic
Mm.
Faraway Tree. Another one is Sudhamurthy's
Mm-hmm.
ma'am book. And some couple of books that is in that room, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. So
Okay.
every day you read the books.
Yeah, now I have started reading newspaper, right, ma'am? So now
Okay. Yeah, you
I
said
don't
Hindi
find.
paper, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But when you read the newspaper, it is easy to understand, or do you understand with the help of Google or something?
Actually, frankly speaking, for first
Mm.
1 week, I felt it was very tough to
Okay.
understand the context. Was
Mm.
hard nut to
Okay.
crack at the initial
Mm-hmm.
stage. Now
Mm.
I cannot
Mm.
just do any of my work without reading newspaper.
Okay. Okay.
Now it is really walking in the
It
park, like walk in the
you get
park.
used as a daily routine.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Now, actually,
Okay.
before reading book, I want to read newspaper.
Wow, nice,
Bef-
nice. Good
before
thing.
before when I find some couple of time, I just read books.
Mm.
But now I utilize that
Okay.
time for reading newspaper.
Newspaper. Yeah, everything is good.
Okay, but I'm not able to
That is
complete
book
it
reading.
on a whole. I am able to complete up to 10 or 7 or 8 pages. Six or seven,
Okay, okay.
7 or 8. That's all.
Mm. Mm. Okay, okay, fine. Good thing. Nice.
Okay, I
Keep
have to
moving.
extend the timing, ma'am. Like now I'm concentrating 1 hour, but when I extend
Mm.
the time to 2 hour, then it would be possible for me. But I don't want
Mm-hmm.
to strain too much at a stretch.
Okay, fine, fine.
Okay, ma'am, that's all.
Okay.
Do you have any questions? So, what's
I
your
have many.
English routine? How do you read? How do you learn? And how many hours do you spend for learning English? You are very good in
Actually, how can
English
I?
and you are using so many good words. And how did you get
No,
these
no.
words?
No, not like so, sister. Actually, how can I say that I completed entire my schooling, college education by our mother tongue. After that, when I started my career, I was working as a Tamil teacher in a international school. So at that time, everyone was talking in English except the
Okay.
Tamil department. So
Okay.
after hearing the English every day, I became curious to learn English.
Okay.
But in the beginning, I just watched the YouTube channel randomly as a just a hobby.
Okay.
But for the past few months, I have been actively listening um, through YouTube videos, only watching YouTube videos.
Okay, ma'am.
But now I am so obsessed learning in
Uh,
this language.
okay.
If you ask me what is your ardent desire means, my ardent desire is excel at English. Yeah,
Fine.
of course. Why? Because I have a lot of time nowadays. Why? Because once I send the mom of my daughter, after that until 5 o'clock, I'm completely free.
Okay.
So I try to utilize that time in productive way. I but for the four practices, I am good at listening.
Okay.
Whenever I got any new words, any vocabularies, I jot it down in the notebook. When it comes to reading, I couldn't follow that. I tried many times, but even I couldn't follow that. One more thing I do dueling every day. It is so interesting to do that.
Which one, ma'am?
Duolingo.
Okay.
Duolingo.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
it is so
App.
interesting to do that.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, I have 3 to 4 hours per day to spend English.
Okay. You have 3 to 4 hours.
Yes, yes, yes.
Wow. Super great.
Yes.
Ardent speaker within a year. Wonderful speaker within a year. I'm saying you, ma'am.
No, 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 not like say, not like actually. You are praising me, right?
Yes.
No, actually, how can I say that this is not enough, Mahalakshmi sister? Why? Because how can I say that I spend a lot. I do effort. I do a lot of effort, but still I couldn't effective progress on me.
Okay.
But yeah, I have seen many of the YouTubers. Uh, they are speaking in a short period. I think probably the it's based on our age or I don't know that they can learn the English in short period, but I couldn't do that.
Okay. Now you are occupied with some other thing. You have to first unwind everything, ma'am. Just remove everything from your thoughts.
Okay.
Concentrate fully,
Okay.
fully on
Yeah,
what
yeah.
is learning.
That is what I believe that actually how can I that even I do 3 to 4 hours to learning English. Even if I couldn't see the result, even if I couldn't effective result, but I got the small progress, right? That is what I praise myself. Okay,
Yes.
I even if I couldn't speak fluently. in short period as I think, but I can get small progress every day, right? That is the enough. That is enough.
Yes.
Obviously, I will get fluency in short period. Yeah,
Of
there is
course,
a
ma'am.
time.
Of course.
Yes,
Of
of
course.
course.
Within a short period of time, I could see that result. I could see the result because you are now doing efforts and you have that consistency, ma'am, in your mind that I have to speak
Yes, yes.
English.
Do consistency. But before I watching your videos, I thought I do a great effort. But once I watched your video, I thought I believe that our effort is not hard. Why? Because you told that even if you spend 30 minutes in Instagram, you feel guilty like what? At the time, I realized that how I am wasting my time. But you and Magasina something, I don't know that, but your conversation was wonderful at that
Oh, thank you,
video.
ma'am.
Why? Because yes, of course, she also spoke very well. Even she gave wonderful thoughts, good inspiration, motivation as well. Same like you. You both are telling that the value of the time. At the time, I realized that, yeah, how I am wasting my time hereafter. At that, so this is in this place, you and that Magasina both are inspiration for me. Because
Okay.
how can I say that at the time I realized that hereafter we should do more effort without
Okay.
wasting our time. Actually, I usually scrolling the mobile a lot. Yeah.
Okay. Fine, fine, ma'am.
Yeah, keep your inspiration things, motivate things, keep
Okay.
forward.
Yes, ma'am. I get motivation just because of your mails, your supports, your messages. Some
Okay.
days I feel that do I need to post video? Do I need to continue this journey? But see, whenever I think of that, I get some mails like you are doing
Hmm.
great, you are such an inspiration, and you please continue
Yeah,
doing
yeah,
it. I would
obviously
like
you
to
do the
have a
same.
conversation with you. So I just okay. See, I now I don't no longer have that thoughts, ma'am. In between, after I started my channel, in between I had this thought: is this
Hmm.
my niche? Am I going correct? So do I need
Hmm.
to search for something? This and all I have, but now I no longer have anything. So I'm just forwarding, moving forward. That's all.
Okay,
I
fine,
no
fine.
longer
So now,
in fancy about anything like this much views, subscribers, and anything. Just
yeah,
I'm
of course.
giving whatever I know, and
Ah,
I just going forward. That's all, ma'am.
yes, we do our effort, we do our work without any expectations. Obviously, it will give some results.
Okay,
You do the same. Nice.
okay, okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes.
we need not focus the views or anything else.
No, when I was yes, working hard for my bank exam, I know that somehow I'm going to, when I, if I work hard, I will get my job. I would get my job. I know that. So I was doing that. Now I don't know where it is going to, where it is, it will take me to somewhere or I don't know something. So I don't just think about anything. I just need to
Hmm.
enhance myself. I
Okay,
just
okay,
need
fine.
to elevate my skills. I am damn
Ah,
sure in
yes,
this, so I'm just moving forward. Let us see.
yeah, it gives self satisfaction, right?
Yes,
Obviously, self satisfaction is the best need for us as a woman.
yes.
Okay, fine.
Now my husband started asking me questions, pronunciation, spelling, how to
Ah.
frame this kind of sentences, and am I speaking correct? Do you find any mistakes in this sentence? And he is asking me so many things.
Oh, nice.
Yes,
Good, good. Actually, how can I say that? None of them do like that. I think he is doing. Yeah,
yes, ma'am. Yes,
good
and yes,
thing.
he's
Yes,
so friendly and jovial, and
supportive.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay,
Before
nice.
this channel, I did not get this much confidence. I did not improve. I did not read anything, learn anything. I was just hand maintaining with my so same English. I did not get any progress.
Mm.
But
Mm.
however, after starting my channel, I came to know, yes, I need to do a lot of work. Then I am gradually improving. Even,
Okay, fine, fine.
yes, ma'am. Even now, we need to go along. There is a room for
Mhm.
improvement. Let us
Yes,
see, ma'am.
yes. Okay, okay, fine, fine. I think now you got much confidence,
Of course.
everything. Yes, self-confidence as well we need as a woman. I
Yes.
think you have. I need to improve.
No, ma'am, you are also using so many words in between. I noticed, and
Okay,
I could see that how diligent you are in using all these words and how
okay.
consistency you are maintaining in order to use that words. See, it is not
Because of
easy
you.
to, it is, thank you, ma'am. It is
Because of
not
you.
known words
Okay.
in a correct place.
Mm,
We have less than
yes.
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay, 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 okay. Okay, thank you so much for inviting. How can I say that I had a wonderful session with you. This is the first conversation as well. I feel so happy. If I get another chance, we will meet some other day.
Yes.
Of course. Take
Okay.
care and bye.
Take care, ma'am. Thank you.